Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Monday. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, it was Friday, and as we all know that Fridays are crazy, and yes, we got to see some crazy moves yesterday. But for the last few weeks, the Friday moves were unexpected. It was crazy, to some extent illogical also. Okay. But the move that we got yesterday was backed by proper fundamental, and it was gold approaches record high after Powell's speech. Gold gained traction through afternoon trade and rebounded to above 250 per ounce on Friday, not far from the record highs that were repeatedly broken this week as confirmation of a dovish Fed raised demand for non-interest bearing bullion assets. Dollar falls after Powell greenlit September easing. Dollar slumps as Powell signals interest rate cut. This was the main attraction of the Friday. Okay, and because of which we got to see some good amount of moves on all the US dollar pairs, including our beloved gold. Okay, and gold closed around 2512 in the morning. Okay, in the morning we discussed about few levels. More or less we got what we expected. Our levels did pretty well, but yes, market closed at 2512. So my dear friends, let's look at the trading opportunities for Monday. At first, the daily chart. But before I proceed, I want to make it clear that my dear friends, we are looking at higher time frame. Okay, that doesn't mean that I'm suggesting trades for the next couple of weeks and months. I'm not trying to predict the market for next couple of weeks or months. I do not have that knowledge or the information. I am a hardcore day trader. My forte is day trading. So these levels are for Monday only. On the daily, we can see gold is standing at a high, no sign of retracement yet, and no proper technical confirmation also. And if we look at the weekly chart also, we can see a similar story. As we all know, millions of traders around the world are waiting for a retracement towards 2200, 2100. God knows when it will come or whether it will come or not. Okay, so let's not waste time. But technically, there should be a retracement, but no sign yet. So, my dear friend, only way to make money and survive in market is to go with the flow. Okay, so the market opening is going to be very, very important for us. So let's go back to our beloved hourly time frame because we are day traders and discuss the trading opportunities for Monday. So you can see that I have drawn many lines here. So let's discuss them one by one. And my dear friends, the world's most affordable Forex trading workshop is back again after 3 months that I conduct in both Hindi and English language. If you like my work, if you feel that I will be able to bring some value in your trading journey, then you are most welcome to join. It's a 7 days workshop. I have explained everything in detail on the website, and watch the full video. Okay, I have explained everything on the at the end of the video. Okay, so feel free to watch. Okay, now let's continue with her goal analysis. So if you have a buy on gold right now, then you can continue with the buy position because overall the market is bullish and we have seen that fundamentals are also helping gold to move towards the upside. So if you have a buy, you can continue with the buy position. If you're stuck on a sell right now, then please try to exit when market will be coming for a retracement. So the market opening is going to be very, very important for us. If you have an ongoing buy, continue. If you have an ongoing sell, try to exit at retracement. And if you're looking for fresh position in the market as a day trader, then obviously the market opening and the volume will play an important role. So after the market opening, if we see market is coming down, then we have 3 support levels where we can look for a buy position. The best level on the chart of gold seems to be around 2489 as of now. The second best support on the chart of gold is around 2494. Okay, so these are the 2 best supports on the chart of gold where we can look for a buy after the market opening. Okay, why we can look for a buy around these 2 levels, let me show you. So overall the market is up, overall the market is bullish, so it's better and safer for us to be on the buy side only. Okay, and here we have used FIBO, our beloved FIBO. We can see that around 2489 area we have FIBO 61.8% retracement level, the 200 moving average coming up, plus we have support around this area. If we combine all the 3 factors, this seems to be a very good level where we have strong bias present. Okay. Then we have FIBO 50% retracement level plus support around 2494 area. So these are the two levels where we can look for support if market comes down after the market opening, and we are looking for fresh positions. But on Monday, sometimes we see, or most of the times we see that there is not much volume in the market. Market is coming down, but the candles are very small or low in volume. In that case, market may not come to 2489, 2494 area. In that case, you can look for support around 2500 as well. 2500 round number psychological level, and along with that, we have also some buyers support around this area. So 2500 is also a good level to buy if market comes down with low volume. Okay, and yesterday market has made a high around 2518, but we can see that we have a zone till 2520. What? 2520. So on Monday, if you see the market is going up but there is not much volume, avoid taking a buy above 2520. Okay, but during the US session, usually we see that market is accompanied by volume. If you see that by the US session, gold is bullish, gold is going up again. In that case, we can look for a buy above 2520. So 2520 breakout buy is good, but with volume only. For that, it's better and safer for us to wait till US session. Okay, because to break any level, volume plays an important role. If there is no volume in the market, then it will be a false breakout. Not only in gold, in any market, any chart, okay, it's the same story. Volume is very crucial. If price is the king, volume is the queen. So volume will play a major role. So if gold breaks 2520, we can look for a buy above it. And market has made a high around 2530. Remember, so we have a sell or resistance around 2528 to 32. On Monday, I don't think so market will break it, but as a day trader or scalper, we can look for some quick selling opportunity around this area. Once market will enter 252728 area, you can exit from this buy. You can exit from this buy and observe the market around this particular area. If you see market is showing price rejection from above, you can go for a sell position as a day trader. Do not hold your position overnight, because overall the market is bullish. In this market condition, holding a sell can be suicidal, can be very, very risky. So if market reverses also, you can go for a sell around 2528, 2532 area, but try to exit quickly. Okay, so again, I'm repeating, if you're having a buy on gold, hold your buy because overall the market is bullish. If you're holding a sell, try to exit at retracement. Otherwise, you may lose your whole capital. After all, we are traders. We cannot gamble with our hard-earned money and capital. Do not forget it. And if market comes down for retracement, as a day trader, we can look for buy at support around these three areas that we just discussed. But if market goes up after the market opening, then it's little risky to go for a buy around 2520 because of lack of volume. But if market shows volume by the Asian session only, then you can go for a buy. But usually there is not much volume in the first half, so we can go for a buy during the US session above 2520. And as a day trader, we can look for sell around 2528, 2532 area if market shows price ejection from above. If you take a sell also, try to exit quickly because this is a buyer's market. Okay. So enjoy the weekend, have some lovely time, quality time with your friends and family. My dear friends, I am very happy to announce that the world's most affordable Forex trading workshop is back again, that I conduct in both Hindi and English language. दोनों language में होता है. It's a 7 days workshop, and the workshop has been designed only for those people who are struggling with the market, unable to make money. Though the workshop is not for complete beginners. You can see I have divided the classes into two parts. At first, we will be having 3 consecutive classes and 4 weekly sessions or classes. So these are the dates for the Hindi classes, and these are the dates for the English classes. And these are the dates for the weekly sessions. You can see I have also mentioned the duration. So in the first 3 consecutive classes, these are the topics that we will be discussing. No hanky-panky, my dear friends. The core concept about market and trading. I'm not going to explain all the fair value gaps, no the SMC and all. we will just try to understand the market as it is. On day one, we will focus on the mistakes that we make. How does the brokers and institutions manipulate the market? On day two, we will see how we can make money in the market. For that, we need to understand the functioning of the market. And day three is the most important because nothing will work, okay, if we do not focus on market discipline, our own discipline and market psychology. Okay, and my dear friends, you can see this time I have made some changes. You will also receive free risk management and discipline guide, free checklist that you need before any trade, lot size calculator. If you want to trade on prop firms, you're struggling with prop firms, then the actual lot size or proper lot size is very, very important or crucial. And trade plan for trending and sideways market. Okay, so you can see this is just an example. Okay, this is the calculator, these are the trade plans, so that you can follow in your trading journey. And after the 3 days consecutive class, okay, there will be a special class for Indians, because in India forex trading is difficult. Okay, there are many problems. Okay, so we will have a special session where we will discuss about the problems, and we will try to discuss the solutions, because there are many things that I cannot disclose publicly or discuss publicly, so we will discuss everything. And my dear friend, the best part is that the 7 days workshop comes with also community access. We have a community on Telegram, and we also have a WhatsApp group where I post regular market updates, analysis, and we also have live sessions from time to time. This is just a glimpse of our WhatsApp group where I post regular market updates, analysis, so that you can understand how to proceed with the market. And during important events like NFP, CPI, we also have live events. We trade and we try to earn money as well. Okay, so we can see, okay, this is how it looks like. And this is our WhatsApp community where you will meet traders from all around the world. It's a lovely community, colorful community where you can post ideas, ask questions, and it's a very nice place to learn. Because when I started trading, okay, I was very lonely. That's why I felt a need that at least there should be someone with whom we can share our feelings. Because at the time of trading, okay, we traders pass through a lot of emotions. So my dear friends, the community can be very, very useful and helpful, okay, for interaction. And these are the topics of our weekly classes. I have chosen this topic carefully because in trading, okay, there is no end to learning. So it is not possible for a trader to learn everything. Trading is a continuous process. But to start our journey, okay, there are some core concepts, okay, that are very important for us. So if you learn this stuff, then you are good to go. So these are the topics that we will be discussing during our weekly sessions, and all the sessions are conducted via Google Meet. If you're unable to attend due to time difference, no need to worry, I record everything. Now the question is how to join the workshop. We all know trading is a journey. Trading takes time. Sometimes it takes months, sometimes it takes years. We all have struggle, isn't it? So I have three options here. If you're only interested with the workshop with 1 month support where you'll be getting regular market updates, analysis on WhatsApp, plus access to a Telegram community, then it's only $20 or rupees 1500 for Indians. And if you're looking for personal sessions with me, support over WhatsApp, then you can consider semi-annual or lifetime support, especially for those people, okay, who are considering trading for their long term or their future plan. So in semi-annual, you'll be getting 2 personal sessions with me to clear doubts, ask questions, and these are the benefits that you'll be receiving. In lifetime support, you'll be receiving 6 personal sessions with me to clear doubts, ask questions, and lifetime WhatsApp support from my side. And what is the duration of these sessions? No need to worry. Okay, minimum 1 hour. And there are many days left for a workshop. You can join now also, nothing to worry. Okay, till the workshop, you'll be getting free updates, analysis from my side. Okay, I'll add you to the group. And these are the payment options here, my dear friends. You'll find all the options here. So once you're done with the payment, just share a screenshot to this WhatsApp number. I will add you to the group immediately. All the details are mentioned on the website, my dear friends. And if there is anything, okay, you can also check out the about me page. Okay, where you will learn about my journey. Okay, you will understand that nothing is impossible in the market. Thank you.